The Rebel Poppy Vanity Mirror isn't your average beauty mirror. Fully equipped with 10 replaceable LED lights, 3 adjustable light settings and touch screen controls, this is the perfect addition to your beauty routine. Each mirror comes with a phone holder, so you can follow along with beauty tutorials or record your own, hands-free. Portable and mounted on a swivel frame, you can easily move and position the mirror to fit your needs. Whether you're an aspiring makeup artist, or you can do the perfect cat eye, this mirror helps you achieve the look you want every single time. So go practice your highlight and perfect that smoky eye with your new favorite glam tool. Top reviews from the United States. Great customer service. My daughter loves her mirror. I will say that we started having problems with the mirror after 4 months, but I called customer service and they were absolutely wonderful to work with. I would definitely buy from them again.